How's it, Natalie? Okay, so you know Ziara. She's busy sleeping over there. Hello, my nanas. Shook me, my nanas. Sissy, shook me. Yes, my babies. So you know Ziara. And this is it. Our puppy. He is the Belgian Malinois. Okay, he has brain damage because when he was a puppy, like a couple weeks old, um, his previous owner, my friend, accidentally slammed his head in the car door. Like he was getting out of his car, and as he was shutting the door, Zed decided to try and jump out at the last second, and then the door banged on his head. So his head slightly deformed, as you can see. It has like a curve, his head, and he walks with a bit of a tilt with his head. Zed boy, Zed boy, Zed boy. Hello, hello, Zed boy. Hello, come on, Zed. Hello. Zed boy, show me. Sit. Come, show me. Yeah, he's still sleeping. Sit, boy. Show me. Hello. Show. Sit. Look here. Show me. Yeah, show me. What's wrong? Did I disturb you now? Oh, sorry, my big boy. Okay, sleep again. Sleep again, no? Oh, I'm sorry, big boy. Okay, I'll send you a video of his train, of how far I trained him, but later when he wakes up. Because as you can see, he just wants to sleep now.